The AutoZone Fix Finder's top reasons your check engine light may be on. Number 3. Your spark plugs need replacing. So you've been to AutoZone and our free Fix Finder service has determined that your spark plugs need replacing. What's the next step? What are spark plugs? Spark plugs ignite the air-fuel mixture in the combustion chamber of your vehicle. In other words, they help start and run the engine. What causes spark plug wear and tear? Spark plugs can be fouled by fuel, oil, and combustion byproducts, damaged by heat, or simply wear over time. Where are spark plugs located? In most cars, spark plugs are located near the top of the engine, threaded into the cylinder head. However, the location of spark plugs can vary depending on the make and model of vehicle. What are the symptoms of bad spark plugs? Some symptoms include no start, trouble starting your vehicle or engine misfiring, bad fuel economy, poor performance. How difficult is it to replace worn-out spark plugs? In most cases, replacing worn-out spark plugs is fairly straightforward, depending on the length of time since they've been changed and accessibility. However, different cars have different methods of getting to their spark plugs, so the difficulty can vary. On our scale of difficulty from 1 to 10, we'd give this job a 4. Replacing your spark plugs usually only requires a handful of tools, all of which you can find at AutoZone. What if you don't replace them? Your engine will experience a variety of problems such as misfires, hard starts, increased emissions, and poor fuel economy. Now that you know what to do, take the next step and stop by AutoZone for the right parts, tools, and friendly advice. And if you need a repair shop, we can help you with that too.